I'm back. Back in Vietnam. A giddy, silly, foolish man beyond caring.
I'm practically living in this. Gotta get used to it.
In memory of the late Anthony Bourdain, I decided to live out my own episode of Parts Unknown in Hanoi, Vietnam. Our first stop in Hanoi was Bancha. As the name prescribes, they serve Bancha, a Vietnamese dish of grilled fatty pork and noodle over a plate of white rice, herbs, and side dishes of various dipping sauces based in garlic and chili.
So good. You put it garlic and chili, soup, some garlic and chili here, and noodle you dip in the sauce, everything you can eat together, fresh up, and also swing the weekend.
Okay, thank you. Garlic chili it is.
Bancha is a great first start here on our first day in Vietnam. But for a little bit more authenticity, we traveled deep inside the city's bustling street market.
What kind of food are we looking at here, Jeff?
I don't know, I'm trying to figure out what that is over there.
Yeah. Do you know what that is? It's dog. It's garden. That was dog. Wow. Asian carp.
These fish are still breathing.
These raw and open flavors are a little bit too much for some of our Western eyes, so we headed over to Cafe Giang for a famous egg drop coffee. This coffee is found in no other place other than Hanoi.
Thank you.
And its ooey gooey center drives people crazy.
So thick. Yeah. Is it good?
With a coffee like that every day, there's no wonder why this city is alive and well. Hanoi used to be the capital of the communism state during the Vietnam War. The scars of history are still prevalent, but the rhythms and culture of the old quarter shine bright for all travelers who are lucky enough to pass through its beautiful streets.
Okay, so I'm walking down the train tracks, and with all this typhooning, I think it's time for a safe, warm shower in our hotel. But on the way back, we might even stop for, another bowl of pho. So we come across this little homemade urban garden here on the train tracks of Hanoi. This is beautiful. This is some of the stuff that you would just have in your pho, and it's fucking delicious. You know me, I'm a very proud supporter of urban gardens. It's this beautiful French colonial city in the middle of the jungle.
A large typhoon rolled into town the same day we did, so looks like we have to
Your respect to the Buddhists.
Oops, maybe the shrine should have been our first stop.
Honestly, it sounded like it struck this.
Yeah,
This building.
do you think it did?
It
No.
sounded like it did.
There was a massive lightning strike that just happened right around this corner because we saw the flash and it was so loud and concussive. It maybe struck something nearby.
Did you see it? No. Did you see
Yeah, I saw the flash.
from that the strike to the sound? It was literally
Nothing.
time.
Yeah, it was.
So, oh my god.
These people actually felt the lightning strike in their feet, they said, so they ran inside. Are you feeling okay?
I'm not a Buddhist, but the Turtle King underneath Home Keem Lake is a force to be reckoned with. We quickly headed back to town for our last bowl of pho and a cold glass of beer.
Believe it or not, this is a small size. Between 3 people, we're gonna be sitting comfortably. We're so woo! Oh, and she's been helping us very much so. Oh, is that red? Oh, come on. Believe it or not, this is actually my first hot pot I've ever had in my entire life. And where else but Vietnam, right? Yeah. Got my beer and my hot pot.
I don't know what the heck I'm eating.
Fellow travelers, this is what you want. This is what you need. This is the path to true happiness and system.